was saying they have 9 lives. They don't actually have 9 lives, but they do land perfectly on their feet. So why is that? Well, cats, let's just say we have a cat named Bean, and it's running up the roof of a house. Then the roof breaks. It's still in midair falling, right? Where's up? Where's down? They have tubes inside their ear that rotate to let them know. So they can turn their head with their body along onto the facing toward the ground, and then they go into a parachute pose like a flying lizard, and then they put their feet in front of their body and then land on perfectly 4 legs.